Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make delicious veg waffles at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables such as spinach, carrots, and bell peppers. Also, prepare 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, and some baking powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the batter. Begin by finely chopping or grating your selected vegetables. This ensures they spread evenly. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Then, in a separate bowl, combine all the wet ingredients, the milk, eggs, and oil. This two-step approach helps create a smooth batter. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, folding until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, stir in your finely chopped vegetables, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Finally, season your batter with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for perfect flavor. Finally, let's cook these delicious waffles. Preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease it with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter per waffle, or enough to fill your iron, and cook until they are golden brown and crispy. Serve your warm, homemade veg waffles immediately with your favorite savory toppings. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.